The fate of Meghalaya'S 10 candidates of parliamentary elections is now sealed in the electronic voting machines (EVMs). The prominent candidates in fray in the 2 Lok Sabha seats in the state, including the parties they represent, were huddled up after the end of voting at 4 p.m. on Friday, busy working on their analysis and calculations on the possible outcome of this election. Each candidate exuded confidence of a positive outing, asserting they have done enough to convince the voters to exercise their franchise in their favour. Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari informed that the 13 strong rooms, 12 in district headquarters and 1 in Sora would continue to be watched by CAPF, and even the counting will take place in 13 counting centres.
A return already has been made, and we are very confident, law and order wise, safety wise, all the needful arrangement and protocol will be followed, and very hopeful no such incident will happen.
GMC